Someone is still cracking. Hey, my Legion, how y'all doing today? I'm here today to review Lowry's Bacon Curls original microwave pork rinds versus their hot and spicy pork rinds. See who wins. This one's still cracking some. Okay. Now I'm going to try, first of all, I'm going to do the original. And this was sent to me by my friends at Tortilla Shell a long time ago, last year. And these have a good shelf life. This was good till July of this year, so probably got around to doing it. Find out. Looks, it's still cracking. Can you hear that? That's cool. Very good flavor. Yeah, it's microwave real well. I like to play. I give these a 10 out of 10. Wow. No snap, crackle, and pop on that one. Let's try the hot and spicy ones. Now, these were sent to me by my friends at Vanilla Vape. I won the second place. Oh, crap. Some of these didn't microwave as well. I'd probably microwave these again. See. That's why I microwave these some more. I don't know how these didn't shake as well. These are good. They didn't microwave as well. Maybe I didn't leave them in the microwave as much as these. These are really good too. Because they didn't microwave as well, I give them a 9 out of 10. Usually I would pick the hot and spicy, but because they didn't microwave it well, but they didn't shake in the bag. I microwaved the same amount. I'm going to say, in a very unusual upset, original beats hot and spicy. Just because it microwaved better than this one. But the flavors are just as good. It's just I was disappointed this one didn't microwave as well. There's some pieces in here I got microwaved because they're very hard. I hope you liked this video, everybody. And until next time, everybody, please take care of my Legion. All right, bye-bye.